Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to drive that. Let's do it. Alright guys, we are going to be driving this twin turbo Pulse in this episode. But first up, I need to get it out and give it a wash. It's so dirty. So, start it up, warm it up, get the laptop on it, and we'll get it out. Alright, garage doors open. Just secure those boost gauges. Let's turn kill switch on. And start her up. Alright, we're connected. Coolant temp 28. Whoa. Bit of a miss. Probably all fouled up again. Running alright. Already sounds like it's got a cam in it when I haven't put them in yet. Back it out. Good, how are you?
Smells like she's running rich, mate.
Oh yeah. Alright guys, gave it a quick wash now. It is my youngest son's birthday party tomorrow, so we're pretty busy this weekend. So I'm not going to go for a drive right now, but probably later tonight. So we'll test everything out, make sure it's all good. And I'll be driving it on Monday if everything is good. So, we'll be back later when we've pretty much organised all of the party stuff. Alrighty guys, it's about 10 o'clock at night and it's time to take Foz for a first drive without exhaust leaks. So, let's see how it goes. I'll get this started. I'll go move the black one. And, yeah, hopefully it should have warmed up a little bit. We'll get Holtec open. NSP software. Alright. I've got my remote too for the exhaust, so while we're driving nowhere near home, I'll put the exhaust on for you guys. That's annoying. What quarter of a tank? Go move the black clothes. Alright guys, we are up to 66. Just gotta see how I go with these lights on for you guys. Feels like it's running on 3. It's missing a bit. These lights don't really do much, do they? Alright. See how we go. I'll log everything. stay around here for a little bit till it clears up. Degrees Celsius coolant. Almost sounds like there's a boost leak. But we're getting boost. No scrubbing yet. Got to 9.2. That sounds good. I like it. We're going to head back now. I've done a few wastegates as you heard. So I just got to make sure there's no leaks, like intercooler wise, charge pipe. It feels like it, but after that I think it's out of my capability of tuning. I haven't done loud exhaust yet. Nah, definitely needs to tune. Well, I think it's time for the cams actually. Alright, we have an issue with the oil drain. I found it. Yeah, it's all wet down there. That's not good. And that's coolant. Alright, so I will fix that oil drain up, hopefully I can, and we'll drive this to work on Monday so the boys at work can see, bring it back, and I think it's time to get it out. So yeah, we're going to be pulling the engine out again to put the cams in. So yeah, we're just going to make sure everything is good, and then we'll pull it out. I hope that's just the oil. Yeah, I don't know, it's just... It sounds like there's a leak in the boost pipes, but it gets up there. I don't know. I really need a new welder that I can do cooler pipes with, so yeah, we can get a better cooler system going. Alright, so tomorrow is actually Emerson's birthday party, so we'll see how we go. Either Monday, Tuesday, we'll get this to work, and then we'll pull it apart again and make things better, clean up stuff, get the cams in, get the covers on. Yeah. And then once the cams are in, we're all good, then we'll get the tune done. Alright guys, I'm back. It's now Sunday afternoon, and unfortunately I don't have time to get this fixed just now. I need to edit this video and upload it. So hopefully after that I'll come out and start working on it. So later tonight, which will be next episode, and then we'll get this out for a drive during the day so you can see it a lot better. Hopefully we can get some better angles too while it's driving, and some great sounds. So if you guys enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.